Imagine being a caterer. Imagine. Or even imagine being a chef. Imagine. Chefs and caterers have a lot of important jobs. One of the most important jobs is making sure that their food tastes the same each time, no matter how many they're serving. So in our next unit, we're going to be figuring out how do we modify a recipe so it tastes the same every time. So the first thing you'll need to do is create your menu. You'll need to have one appetizer, one main dish, and one dessert. My only rule for this is that each recipe will have to have at least 4 ingredients. After you have chosen your menu, you'll now have to figure out how can you serve 45 people while still making sure that your food tastes the same for each person. A good website to find recipes is food.com. Awesome. I'm gonna go with honey barbecue chicken wings for my appetizer. It's a fan favorite. So I scroll down and I see it serves 2 to 3. I'm gonna go with 3 servings. So what you're gonna do is you'll look at the recipe, and what I've shared with you is a ratio table for recipes. So I'm going to quickly type in my ingredients. All right, so just to recap, I just typed in all of my ingredients. You can notice on the bottom of the tab here, it says appetizer 1. All right, so that lets me know I have it in the right tab. All right, now we're gonna do the categories. Your categories are baking needs and spices, meat, seafood, poultry, produce, grains, dairy, and other. It's important to categorize your ingredients because we'll need to know that later. So chicken wings, that's a meat, seafood, poultry, so I'm going to do MSP. Salt is a baking need, so BNS, and I'll go through the rest. So, like I said earlier, the ingredients were for 3 servings, so when you have ingredients there, just interrupt that cell and type in 3 servings. What you'll have to do next is figure out how to get to 45 servings. So you have to figure out what can you multiply this recipe by to get 45 servings but also make it taste the same. Well, I know 3 times 15 is 45, so you'll have to multiply each of your ingredients by 15. So I'll type in 15 here. That lets me make sure that the recipe tastes the same while making more. So now you just multiply each of your ingredients by 15 if you're able to serve 3. Now, if your original recipe cannot be multiplied by a whole number to get 45, I've added these cells E and F to make sure that you have enough room so that you can get to 45. There we go. Now I'm able to make 270 wings. That's for the 45 people. And all the ingredients are at the same ratio. So that means my barbecue chicken wings will taste the same. All right, my chefs, here's what you're gonna need to do to get started. Step 1, find your recipes. 1 appetizer, 1 main dish, 1 dessert. They all have to have at least 4 ingredients for each recipe. Then type them into your Google spreadsheet, making sure that you have them categorized, the correct amount, and the correct measurement. Then you'll have to take a look at your recipe and its servings and figure out what can you multiply or perhaps divide the recipe by so that you can serve 45 people. Good luck!